Okay everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a little different than usual. Today's tutorial mixed with a speedrun. I'm going to teach you guys how to make blingees while also speedrunning, making a really cool blingee, just so you guys can see how fast and easy it is. But yeah, okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so first we here I was setting up a border to make it look nice and pretty and kind of contain what's going to be going on in the thing. And then here I'm adding a bunch of cute anime girls. They're called VTubers. I've been really into them recently. I think they're really cool and funny. I tried to search up some of my favorites who like aren't in like a company but couldn't find any, so I just put like all of the ones from like the company that I like called HoloLens. It's pretty cool. It's whatever. Then here I decided to spruce it up with some sparkles. I think sparkles add a lot to Blingee. It makes it pop. And here I was putting some hearts because it seemed like the guy that I chose needed a lot of love and stuff. So I put a bunch of hearts, and then I put like some cheer up text at the end, you know, just cheer them up. Yeah, that's how you make a blingee. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial, speedrun, speed paint, and tutorial. Make sure to like the video and comment in the video and subscribe if you like. And thank you for checking out my channel. Next week I'm going to be doing a playthrough on KidPix 2. It's a new release and it's pretty cool. I've been playing it at school. It's really nice, and I want to share it with you guys. And after that, we're going to be playing some Diablo.